The HITBOX Aluminum MIG Welder is a versatile machine offering double pulse functionality that enhances welding efficiency and minimizes heat distortion. This model accommodates various welding techniques, including gas metal arc welding, flux-cored, stick, and lift TIG, making it suitable for different wire sizes and materials. With its synergic MIG welding feature, it automatically adjusts settings based on the selected material and wire diameter, simplifying operations for both novices and experienced welders. The welder's large LED display provides precise data and easy menu navigation, ensuring accurate results during home, outdoor, or farm projects. Safety is prioritized as each welder undergoes rigorous testing to meet high standards, including protection against voltage, current, and overheating issues. The HITBOX Aluminum MIG Welder is designed with a smart cooling fan that only operates during welding, reducing unnecessary noise when the machine is idle.